This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Foo Fighters My Hero on guitar, step by step. We'll begin with the iconic main riff. You'll want to start by placing your index finger on the 7th fret of the A string, forming an E5 power chord. Then, shift down to the 5th fret on the same string for a D5 power chord. Practice this transition smoothly as it forms the backbone of the verse sections. Focus on a strong, clear strumming pattern to capture the song's energy. Now, let's dive deeper into the verse progression. As we discussed, it centers around the E5 and D5 power chords. For each chord, aim for a duration of 2 beats, creating a steady, rhythmic pulse. It's crucial to keep your strumming hand consistent and powerful to maintain the song's driving feel. Pay close attention to the original recording to internalize the precise timing and dynamics. This consistency will make your playing sound authentic. Moving into the powerful chorus, we introduce a new chord, the C5 power chord. You'll transition from the D5, then to the C5, and finally to a G5 power chord. This section demands a significant increase in strumming intensity to match the song's emotional peak. Try to let some open strings ring out subtly to add a fuller, more expansive sound. Practice these transitions to ensure they are seamless and impactful, driving the energy forward. For the bridge section, you'll notice a slight shift in dynamics and tempo. It often features more sustained chords, so focus on letting each note ring out clearly and cleanly. This provides a brief moment of tension before returning to the main energy. The outro usually brings back the main riff, often fading out gradually. To conclude, deliver a strong, definitive final strum of the E5 power chord, leaving a lasting impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.